bang sinalihan sa inyo? Bukod sa darts, wala naman.
Ikaw mo bang ibang sinalihan na contest sa intrams?
Wala na. Sa ngayong intrams, wala akong sports kundi basketball lang. Tapos yung isa naman, sumala ako sa festival ng class.
Festival dance and also related arts.
Ayun, medyo nakakaba kasi last year, first runner ako pero ngayon medyo mabalagi sa second runner up, pero still, happy pa rin sa akin.
Kamusta yung mga sinalihan mo na contest sa intrams? Kaya,
Yung festival naman is, ano na, pang P-place kami, population. Tapos yung sa basketball naman is, ewan ko lang, baka umabot din kami ng semifinals.
Hindi yung laban ngayon, yung last year, hindi halos targets, hindi lang sa baseball dance, also sa plays. Parang gagaling.
Explain ko. Ayun, as an officer and also a player, I think medyo malaki naman yung ilang bag ko dito sa intrams. So, may konti. Hindi lang iniba rin yung sarili ko. So, then.
sa intrams na nilaruan. Dito.
Tingin ko bilang isang estudyante, so 1 out of 10, 10 siguro kasi yung iba hindi man lang magawang sumali sa kahit anong sports or festival, pero ako pinagsabay ko para sa department.
I think 10 na. Kasi po diba, like what I said, tapos nag-join ako ng festival ko sa table tennis. I think marami rin ako
Before lumaban, medyo malaki yung pressure or mataas yung pressure. So parang medyo mababa. Pero nung nakita na natin yung result na meron naman tayong placement as CBA, parang medyo tumaas naman yung self-esteem.
Before it was around early 70, flat 7. Tapos after intro, of course, I have to really hold sa crowd. So like, nag-improve siya as it's na.
Anong pinagkaiba ng self-esteem mo tsaka sa kumpiyansa sa sarili bago at pagsabi ng
Sa kumpiyansa, makasungan lagi sa kumpiyansa.
Yung wala pang intrams, siguro masasabi ko na yung katawan ko hindi active. Pero nung simula ng intrams, araw-araw yung laro, araw-araw yung practice sa festival, naging mas active ako at mas naging healthy yung katawan.
So yung bago naniniwala ko talaga sa sarili ko na kahit alam mo na naniniwala kang kaya mo yung laban. Tapos may trust sa sarili mo. Meron kang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Magagawa mo talaga ng smooth yung laban.
Oo, medyo nadagdagan ko ang mga co-players ko, yung mga competitors ko, medyo naging close ko na sila after that.
Yes. So, first kasi wala pa nag-festival. Right now, yung nag-festival ng ibang friends from the
Sobrang dumami kasi nakakasalamuha ako ng hindi ko naman nakakasama before. Tapos ngayon, ayun, kilala ko na sila, tropa ko na sila.
Oh yes, kasi mas nilalaban namin yung sa table tennis. Parang magkakalaban ko sa mga girls. Kasi parang matindi naman kami doon yung laban namin sa girls.
Medyo. Pero kasi, mas, ano ko last year, pero medyo hindi masyado. Pero sa tingin ko naman, medyo gumaling ako ng gumaling na skills ko ng days.
Yes, kasi early na ako and then na-skills ko sa Asian Festival. Hindi ako dancer and then na-dance ako sa festival. I was as a dancer. Wala pa rin siya sa ano ba? I can see the fashion. Yung handle at the end, kinukuha naman yung mga bagong walk na kailangan ko i-upload.
Iba ng skills mo kakayahan bago pagsabit ng
Yung skills, pinapractice ko lang. Yun lang.
Siguro masasabi ko na may pinag-iba din kasi naglalaro ko sa amin ng basketball is kami-kami lang lagi ang nagkakalaro. Tapos nung nag-intrams na, halos iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang department yung nakakalaban na.
Nakakayahan kasi sa akin, even though na hindi ko na ma-master ang mga bagay, as long as nag-practice ka, as long as meron kang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo, you can do it.
Self-awareness among participants can be noticed as you compare their answers to their skills to how's it going for the contests they took part of.
The latter being asked first laid grounds on how will they, objectively, judge their skills.
Rating their own contribution to intramurals is crucial for measuring their self-awareness. To no one's surprise, they all rated themselves high.
Given how they've had sleepless nights for festival dance, plus a sport of their choice, it's no wonder why they're proud of their involvement.
Social identity of participants were determined by multiple factors. Others were already given.
For example, we've interviewed 3 CBA students. One of them is an officer. The other 2 are from tourism department.
Being a part of any department alone sets your foot into making friends via the one thing they have in common, where their courses fall under. We asked them if their circle of friends increased throughout the event.
Fortunately, none of our 5 participants felt isolated during intramurals. Instead, they all had even more people they can hang out with, increasing their sense of belonging.
About their personal development, one thing guaranteed increased without being prone to bias: confidence. Facing a packed stadium on day 1 and getting used to it for the rest of the weekdays is a guaranteed solution to stage fright.
Our last question involving skills are prone to bias, hence the awareness check question of how are their select contests going, as mentioned earlier. To wrap things up, they all stayed until the end of this event for a reason: consistency.
Varsity players practice every time after classes to hone their skill. Same goes for festival dancers that had sleepless nights days before the event.
For other participants, this is not their first rodeo into intramurals, and we know how experience is a great teacher.